Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there, truck enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into the world of soft roll-up tonneau covers, showcasing the top 5 options that are currently dominating the market. Whether you're a weekend warrior or use your truck for daily adventures, finding the right tonneau cover can make a world of difference in protecting your cargo while enhancing your vehicle's aesthetics. From sleek designs to durable materials, these covers offer a perfect blend of functionality and style. So, if you've been on the hunt for the best soft roll-up tonneau cover, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore each option in detail. For more information and the latest deals, don't forget to check the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, designed specifically for Ford F-150 Lightning with a 5.5-foot bed. This top-tier tonneau cover is engineered with precision and durability in mind. Crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, it boasts dual coating for enhanced protection against the elements. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide exceptional support when the cover is extended flat, yet effortlessly roll up with the tarp for complete bed access when needed. Complementing its robust vinyl construction are aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps, ensuring secure mounting and longevity. Functionality meets ease of use with its Velcro strip side seals and latch lock system at the tailgate, offering a tight and secure fit. Adjustability is key with a tension system located at the end of the side rails, maintaining a wrinkle-free appearance in all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required, thanks to the provided mounting hardware and straightforward instructions. Note that minor modifications may be needed for over-the-bedrail bed liners, while it seamlessly integrates with under-the-bedrail bed liners without alteration. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for those seeking reliability, functionality, and sleek design in the best soft roll-up tonneau covers available today. Number 2. OEDRO Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, the ultimate choice for your Ford F-150 5.6 feet bed. Crafted by OEDRO, renowned for quality automotive accessories, this soft roll-up cover combines durability with sleek design. Made from high-grade polyvinyl chloride, PVC, it ensures weather resistance and protection from UV rays, keeping your cargo safe in all conditions. The painted exterior finish adds a stylish touch, seamlessly blending with your truck's aesthetics. One of the standout features is its user-friendly design with a tailgate lock, providing secure storage and easy access to your truck bed. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its vehicle-specific fit, ensuring a snug and precise alignment without the need for drilling or modifications. The OEDRO tonneau cover enhances fuel efficiency by reducing aerodynamic drag, making it an eco-friendly choice. Maintenance is hassle-free, requiring only periodic cleaning to maintain its pristine appearance. Ideal for anyone seeking the best soft roll-up tonneau cover, the OEDRO model offers exceptional value with its robust construction, reliability, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're hauling equipment, groceries, or recreational gear, this cover is engineered to meet your everyday demands while elevating the look of your Ford F-150. Experience peace of mind knowing your cargo is protected, rain or shine, with the OEDRO Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Number 3. Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, an exceptional choice for enhancing your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. Crafted with durability and convenience in mind, this tonneau cover features a robust 6063 grade aluminum frame coated with epoxy for long-lasting strength. Its black, tear-resistant vinyl and OE-grade rubber Q seals ensure a weathertight seal, keeping your cargo safe from the elements. The Terraline marine-grade stitching adds further resilience against wear and tear, making it ideal for tough conditions. What sets this cover apart is its roll-up design, secured with snap-clip fasteners for easy access to your truck bed when needed, while also offering a front flap at the bulkhead to prevent leaks. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes without requiring any tools, thanks to adjustable clamps that accommodate bed liners seamlessly. Whether you're looking to protect your gear from rain, snow, or dust, the Amazon Basics Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover delivers on both functionality and ease of use. For those seeking the best soft roll-up tonneau cover, this option stands out with its combination of quality materials, straightforward setup, and reliable weatherproofing features. Number 4. DNA Motoring TTC-RU001 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, the ultimate upgrade for your 2004 to 2014 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 feet fleet-side bed. This sleek tonneau cover combines ease of installation with enhanced functionality, featuring a plug-and-play design that requires no drilling or cutting into your truck bed. Simply use the included clamps to secure it in place, with adjustable tension ensuring a perfect fit every time. Not only does the TTC-RU001 enhance your truck's aerodynamics at speed, but it also delivers substantial fuel savings by covering your bed and reducing drag. Crafted from durable vinyl with Velcro edges and weather seals, it effectively protects your cargo from the elements. Despite its lightweight construction, less than 30 pounds, it remains strong and durable, featuring additional coatings to prevent scratches and maintain a pristine appearance in all weather conditions. DNA Motoring's attention to detail is evident in the model-specific design, ensuring complete coverage and a snug fit that enhances the truck's overall aesthetic. Whether you're cruising on the highway or parked outdoors, elastic straps keep the cover securely stored when not in use. For those seeking the best soft roll-up tonneau cover, the TTC-RU001 stands out for its ease of use, durability, and impressive fuel-saving benefits, making it a smart investment for any F-150 owner looking to upgrade their truck's functionality and style. Number 5. Truzido TruSport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, your ultimate solution for a reliable, easy-to-use bed cover that combines affordability with exceptional functionality. Designed specifically to fit the 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 with a 6 feet 7 inches bed, this cover is proudly made in the USA using high-quality materials. Crafted from durable leather-embossed vinyl, it not only enhances the aesthetics of your truck with its low-profile design but also ensures your cargo remains secure and dry in all weather conditions. The TruSport features a robust 1.5-inch frame and integrated support bows that enable it to handle heavy snow loads effortlessly when closed. Installing the TruSport is a breeze, requiring no drilling or special tools. You can have it fully set up in under 30 minutes. Its preset tension control system keeps the cover tight and stable at high speeds, preventing flapping during highway drives. When it's time to access your truck bed, simply unlock the tailgate latches and roll the cover towards the cab. For added convenience, a cab buckle keeps the cover securely rolled up when not in use, ensuring hassle-free transportation of larger items. Whether you're navigating through a rainy day or a snowy winter, the TruSport reliably protects your cargo while maintaining a sleek appearance. For those seeking the best soft roll-up tonneau cover that blends functionality, durability, and ease of use, the Truzido TruSport stands out as a top choice. In conclusion, choosing the best soft roll-up tonneau cover boils down to finding the perfect balance of durability, ease of use, and affordability. Whether you prioritize weather resistance, installation simplicity, or sleek design, there's an option tailored to your needs. Remember, your truck's protection and aesthetic depend on your choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video for more updates and stay tuned for comprehensive reviews and recommendations on all things automotive accessories. Happy driving!